Today, we once again travel back in time, more than 100 years into the past. In this video, there will be no long historical stories or complex research. We will simply look at the faces of women from the early 20th century, their expressions, hairstyles, jewelry, and clothing. Before you are old photographs that will gradually gain color and come to life. In this way, we can see these people a little more closely, as if the great distance of time between us becomes smaller for a moment. Most of these portraits were taken in photography studios. For people of that era, having a photograph made was a special occasion, and they wanted to preserve their best image for future generations. But the most fascinating thing about these photographs is not the fashion or the jewelry. It is the faces. Each of these women once lived her own life. She dreamed, loved, and made plans for the future. Their names have long been forgotten, but these photographs preserved something important, a single moment of their lives. Let us look at these remarkable portraits together and briefly touch a world that has long since passed away. Enjoy the video and thank you for your comments.